Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dream catcher. So let's get into the video. You will need a pair of scissors, a cardboard ring, some feathers, wool, and colored paper. With the string, make a number 4 like this and put the string through the other side of the hoop and then put it through this hole. See, and now pull this closer next to the knot you created. You're going to do this all the way round. We are now going to make the middle webbed area. When you get the string, make sure to get extra because it is better to have extra than have not enough. You're going to get the string and tie it on the hoop. I'm doing 2 knots to secure it. Cut the excess off. You're going to put it over here and wrap it round. And put it through this gap here. I'm going to stick this horn on top with hot glue gun. Make sure to be careful because the hot glue gun is hot. These flowers, I'm going to add hot glue to stick them all on. I'm going to attach the feathers onto the strings. Add a little bit of hot glue and twine it round the tip of the feathers. I'm going to attach these onto the ring by tying it on.